Hi everyone, my name is Layy and welcome to my channel, How to Mommy. In this video, I will share with you guys how my husband prepares the chicken breast that I ate for my 2-week chicken breast only challenge. I was really overwhelmed with the response I got from the people when I posted my weight loss videos. I didn't expect people to actually ask me about it or to ask for tips or advices because I didn't know that my video would reach a lot of people already because my channel is really small and only a few people are subscribed to it. But I'm very happy that some of my friends and family actually reached out and asked me questions, and I was kind of able to help them. And there are a lot of questions that I want to address right now, so I'm gonna make a series of videos, and this first video is about how we cooked the chicken for my 2-week chicken breast only challenge. First, go to the grocery and get some chicken breast fillet, the ones without the bone. Second, slice it into 2 parts and pound it with a tenderizer or like a huge knife, and the goal is to flatten it so that all parts will be cooked equally. Pat it dry with a paper towel. Do it on the other side as well. And then season it with salt and pepper. Do it on both sides. You can add rosemary and thyme, but I prefer mine with just salt and pepper. Next, heat up a pan and add some olive oil. When hot enough, add the chicken and adjust the flame a bit. Leave it there for 4 minutes. Don't flip just yet. No need to touch it really. After 4 minutes, flip it. Leave it there for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take it out of the pan and transfer it to a dry plate. Leave it there for another 5 minutes to rest or cool down, and then you can enjoy it. It literally only takes 15 minutes, and the chicken is actually really good if you season it well. Of course, there are a lot of other ways to cook chicken. You can steam it, you can prefer not to use oil, you don't have to use salt, you don't have to use that much pepper, but it's all up to you. And of course, frying is not the healthiest way to prepare chicken, but we both lost weight. That's how we did it, and it really worked well for us. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know how much weight I lost, I will link the video on the description box below. I will also link the video of my tuna sandwich only challenge and how I make my tuna sandwich, and another video about kind of like the intro or the basics of intermittent fasting. I hope this video helped you, and please comment down below what other videos you would like me to make. Please consider subscribing to my channel and check out my other social media accounts. Thank you!